Hi, welcome back to Sentimental Salvage and Design. I'm Melissa Naderick, and today we are going to wax and antique dust this cute little bunny. We're going to be using DIY's clear wax today and their dark antiquing dust. It's called decrepit dust. So when you're using clear wax, always scoop out a little bit and put it on a separate plate so that you're not dipping your brush in your pot and getting it gooed up with the decrepit dust. And just apply your wax on your bunny or whatever you're using. And then you take the decrepit dust and you just need a little wee bit and you just brush it on. Take a little bit more. Once you've put the dust on, grab a little bit more of your clear wax and just go on top. And then take a soft cloth and wipe it back. And the dust will stay in the little crevices. Keep the same technique going throughout your whole project. Just keep applying wax, then dust, until you've done the whole piece, working in small sections. Just buff it back with your soft cloth until he looks how you want him to look. And when the wax dries in anywhere from 4 to 12 hours, give it a good buff with this soft cloth and he'll have that nice wax glow.